whisper fades into the air, like I was never really there. I reach for you, but grasp the void, a silent ache I can't avoid. Invisible cravings in my soul, you're the peace that makes me whole, a secret pulse I can't deny, longing hidden in the sky. Your shadow dances in my dreams, a fleeting glow of golden beams. But when I wake, it disappears, a phantom love that feels so near. Invisible cravings in my soul, you're the peace that makes me whole, a secret pulse I can't deny, longing hidden in the sky. Can you hear my silent call in the echo of it all? A melody